Good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy One-on-One. Good morning, Nolan Baptiste. I see you bright and early, bushy-eyed tail. Okay, got to have some good old ginger tea. I got this wrinkled shirt on, some black sea oil wasted on my other shirt. But anyway, that's my troubles. That's my problems for today. Black sea oil on your shirt and got to change it last minute. Now this shirt is wrinkled. So now you have to stretch it out on camera so people don't know you wearing a wrinkled shirt. Sometimes people can just be too revealing, okay? Hey guys, when we come in the morning and do these stock reviews, they're professional stock reviews, but at the same time, it's just having fun learning about money, guys. That's what it's really all about. It's just having fun, learning about stocks, learning about where we can invest our money and make some more money, okay? Make some more money. Nolan Baptiste says, people, please like and subscribe and share. Please get a merchandise. Well, thank you, Nolan Baptiste. This is one of the shirts that I have. It says Financial Literate. And on the back, there's a small Raw Squirrel logo and learn money and be inspired. Good morning, Mac peoples. I'm glad to see everybody up and early. You guys getting ready for the weekend so you can do absolutely nothing because of COVID-19. Good morning, Barry Daly or Daly. I'm sorry, I'm butchering your last name. I'm not good in pronouncing some words. Okay. Plus, I have a cut on the top of my lip. Long story about trying to lick peanut butter off a butter knife, but that's my problems too. You cut your own self. All right. Well, let's get into it. Good morning, Clan Killer. Good morning. I see everybody's on point today. Everybody's B1 with the money. B1 with the money. Oh, again, let me go check out this other channel really quickly. I want to show some of you guys. And again, if you're supporting me, please support this channel. They have a lot of good content. They're in the realms of Tariq Nasheed, Philip Scott, Jason Black with the Black Authority, and also Dr. Boyce Watkins. It's called the Black Post. Let's see. But there's two of them out there. So that's what I want to show you guys. There's two of them out there. Okay. So I don't want you to get confused with the one I'm actually trying to show you. So let's see which one I'm referring to here. All right. So you have this one. This is not the Black Post. This is kind of, I don't want to talk about somebody else's channel, so I'm not going to even get on that. But I think because it's really, really new, I have to come all the way down here. Let me see where this is at. Let me see. The Black Post Project, that's not it. The Black Post, everybody's just making names called the Black Post, okay? I don't know what's going on, but this one has a black fist. I showed it yesterday. I kind of want to, let's see the Black Post. See, I know they did the Black Boule. I'll look into that one. Let's see if it pops up. There it is. So here, this is the channel signal right here. Okay. And so I'm just going to go over to the channel. So that's why I'm encouraging you guys to actually, this is how it looks. All right. This is their logo and stuff like that. So once again, a really good channel. So I want you guys, if you will, go over and subscribe and like the videos, okay, to support that channel, because again, they're giving you the information. And the video that was released last night was called Hold the Vote. Hold the vote until, and I know the key word is hold the vote until tangibles. So this is a really, really, oh, you guys can't see it. Here it is, guys. This is the one I'm referring to, okay? When you see this, if you guys will go over to the Black Post, like and subscribe. Let me see if I can just copy this and I'll put this in our chat room. How about that? Okay. But anyway, I'm going to go over. Let's see here. I'm going to put it in the chat for you guys so you can go over and support that channel. But anyway, let's get on Flying Eagle today. Flying Eagle. Now, usually I don't do companies like this, but this company is making headwinds. Okay. It's making a lot of noise inside the investment market, okay? Inside the investment market. Now, for you guys who just joining, again, I just gave that link to the Black Post that gives a lot of Black media information on the same lines of Tariq Nasheed, your Philip Scott, your Dr. Boyce Watkins, your Jason's Black, and a few others out there that I failed to mention. But nonetheless, go over and support that channel and subscribe. But anyway, now, Flying Eagle is an acquisition company, okay? They are an acquisitions company. They are a merger company. They like to acquire businesses. Now, a lot of the companies are out here, but they're not really well known, right? They're not like, your Berkshire and Hathaways, where there are conglomerates, or your Googles or your Amazon or your Microsoft, where they kind of like soak up all these other businesses to help their brand. Now, let's go into their 5-year time chart. They haven't been. This company is brand new. When I say brand new, I don't mean brand new as far as on in investing to their IPO release this year. Okay, because listen, look at this. April 27, 2020 is when their IPO release. But that's not the most staggering information, okay? That's not the most staggering information. We're going to get into it. Now, so far since April, they've been up 33.5%. Okay, I won't get into this. I'll go right down to 3 months. They've been up roughly 29% in the last 3 months. The last month, 26%. I'm rounding up. Last week, 23%. And today, they're down 5.5 points. Now, let's get into this, but this company was founded this year. I'm going to jump over right before I read what they're all about. Where is that? Where it is? Is it right here? This company was founded on January 15th. January 15th, 2020. Now, if you guys have been watching me doing stocks, usually a company has a couple of years. Okay, usually a company has a couple of years, maybe 5 or 6 years, but this company was quote unquote founded, okay, January 15, 2020, and then they became public April 2020. That is very, very fast for a company to become public, okay? That means they have been skyrocketing in their business deals and everything they're doing. So I'm just going to read this very quickly. Flying Eagle Acquisition Corporation operates as a blank check company. That means they have a lot of investors with a lot of money, okay? The company aims to acquire one and more businesses and assets via a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, and reorganization. So basically, they come in and buy your company. That's all they do. Either be like it's an asset, they have a lot of stake in your business. They like Amazon gave Rivian $700 million. They can probably do something like that where they just own a lot of your company. Or they come in and they do a merger. They merge with your company, okay? Merger. They come with your company. Another one is capital stock exchange. Capital stock exchange. And then, of course, asset acquisition and stock purchase. They just buy a bunch of your stock and now, you know, they own your board of directors and they own majority of your company. Let's get back into it. Flying Eagle Acquisition is a blank check company whose business purpose is to effect a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses. The company was founded on January 15, 2020 and is in LA, okay? Los Angeles, California. Collections, new on Robinhood, top movers. Top movers. I love to have that price tag. Now, former Merger 2 is also an acquisition company. And before I move on to Market Watch, I want you guys to look at this one as well. Okay. We're gonna fly through this one though. You get it? Flying Eagle, we're gonna fly through this one. I know I'm corny. But anyway, now this one was listed on September 12th, 2018. And since that time, they have been up 129%. In the past year, they've been up 117%. The past 3 months, they've been up 82%. In the past month, they've been up 56%. The past week, 27%. And today, they've been down. If you notice, the two acquisition companies have absolutely been down. Let's talk about this one. Form Merger 2 Corporation Class A Common Stock, also called Form Merger 2, is a blank check company. Blank check companies, okay? Which operates for the purpose of effecting a merger, once again, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with one or more businesses. The company was founded on May 14th, 2018. It's headed in Delray Beach, Florida. Delray Beach, Florida, okay? Look how many employees he has. 2 employers. You know what that's telling me? Somebody got some money or some people have access to some money. Because if you notice, this came public May 4th, 2018. And when we go back up here, it became public again in the same time frame as Flying Eagle Acquisition. So this must be normal business practice when it comes to these acquisition companies, these merger companies, these stock purchase and asset acquisition companies. This must be common business practices, okay? And this particular one is in finance, same as the other one. So the reason why I want to go over this one, because they have basically the same collection. So you can understand the sectors and the fields and industries that they actually operate in, okay? Got finance, blank check companies, okay, 2018 IPO don't really mean nothing, and then top movers, okay, then top movers. But let's move right along. Mobile games platform skills to go public via merger with SPAC Flying Eagle Acquisitions, okay? And I read this story. Basically, they're acquiring a company that's going to boost their revenue, okay? Again, this is what they do. They come in like a whirlwind and they just take over. Let's see what else I have for you guys. Let's read a little bit of this. It says, Flying Eagle is a special purpose acquisition company. The team behind Flying Eagle has some experience in this area. Founding investor, I'm not going to butcher the guy's name, just going to call him Jeff, and chairman and CEO Harry Salone were also the founder and initial shareholder, respectively, of Diamond Eagle Acquisition, which took DraftKings. See, y'all, look at this, guys. Look what all this business is at in the sectors that is flowing. They're all connected. See, there's a few hundred people in the market of acquiring other businesses who were CEOs who made a lot of great business choices, and this became filthy rich, and now they're buying other businesses. Think about this, right? It says CEO Harry Sloan were also the founder and initial shareholder, respectively, of Diamond Eagle Acquisition, what took DraftKings public through a merger earlier this year. Think about that, okay? And let's just look at Dkng. Dkng, that's DraftKings, Dkng. And we know a lot of people are gambling on DraftKings, and DraftKings is doing pretty well. So I'm going to do the 5 years here. Look at this. They're up 304%. When their IPO was released July 3rd, 2019, there was only $9.80, and now they're up to almost $40. So the reason why all of this information is important for Flying Eagle is you need to understand the spaces they're operating in. You see how they're all connected. That way you know if this is a good choice for you to invest in, okay? Now they're about to acquire Skills Mobile. Skills is a mobile gaming platform focused on connecting players and fair, fun, and meaningful competition. Now, I always have my little side biases and rhetoric. You know, of course, the creators of Skills Mobiles want people to have fun. And why do you create any business? Because you like what you're doing and you want to make money from it. Okay, we understand that everything is about money. It don't matter what age and what time and what era. We was back in Africa with Mansa Musa, or it was in Athens, Greek. It don't matter. It's all about that money, okay? The company says it anticipates 2022 revenue of $555 million, representing a compound annual growth rate of 57% from 2020. We're talking about increase in profits. According to the company's investors, including Fidelity Management, Neuberger Berman, Wellington Management, and others, have committed over $250 million. The transaction for its public listing implied a valuation for Skills of $3.5 billion, or 6.3 times projected 2020 revenue. I just want to take a moment to drink my ginger tea and have that to soak in for you guys. Yes, Nolan. Yes, it is down. NASDAQ is down 2024. Now, if you're thinking about investing in Flying Eagle, let me go back here for you guys. I have to go back twice, I believe. Do I think that this would be a good stock for you to invest in? I believe so. these acquisitions companies, especially those who are part of Diamond Eagle, those who are part of DraftKings, they're all kind of like this. They've been making great money, guys. They've been making great choices, great money. And I believe that this company that came out in January, that's now public, I believe that's a good buy. I believe that's a good buy. But let's look at the stock market. I'm just going to look at my portfolio because my portfolio is down. But see, again, what I tell you guys, let me show you something. Right now, I'm down $500 today. And when I see this, I don't panic. I don't get scared. You know what I do? I just, seems like the storms are clearing up today out there. I just stay patient because we need to understand that a weary and scared investor, you will lose more money than an aggressive investor, okay? Because even in being aggressive, you still have to be smart. Okay. Clan Killer says, I got DraftKings, bought mine at $22. So you're making around $15 a share, it seems like. Roughly around $15 a share. So you got in at a good point. I mean, we all should have got in at $9.80. But you are definitely doing pretty well. He also says, I'm down by 250 today, but I was up by 500, so I'm good. Okay. So a lot of times, guys, you know, you're looking at your portfolio each and every day. You're probably making unwisely moves, which I do not condone, okay? Because when you really look at it, I'm going to my week's return. I'm down $840 for the week. $840 for the week, okay? But we need to understand that some of you may get paid every week. Some of you from your jobs or your business, you get paid every week, every 2 weeks, or you get paid every month. So when I look at it, I'm only getting paid like about $550 a week off this month of these returns. But this can change very rapidly in the market. But again, I'm not going to sell any of my positions right now. Now, granted, that has nothing to do with my options, okay? Because I wanted to show you, see, my total return for this option is $20, okay? But I had another option I wanted to show you that it probably dropped so much. I was up $500. I was going to wait. I should have sold it. I was up $500 with this one. You see, my cost was $515, and earlier this was let me show you what I'm talking about. When it hit $9, I was up 1,000. So I'm gonna go ahead and sell this one really quickly. Let me see. So you're going to buy the underlying stock. Let me see. I don't want to do that. I don't want to exercise that. I believe they won't let me. They don't want me to sell it. They don't want me to sell it just yet. You know, I don't have the power to sell it right now. I have the option to buy it. Okay, I have the option to buy it, but I do not have the option to sell it. Let me see if I can sell it. Let's see. $880. Yeah, I do have it. It says not enough shares. You only have 0 contracts open. Oh, I think okay, I was smart. I think I did sell it. Okay, great. See that I did sell it. And so my profit is going to be $500. I almost forgot. I was like, man, I done lost $150 because I was trying to show you guys live. But I see at 7:53 a.m. Central Time, I made that decision, okay? All right, let's see what else information you guys have for me today. Clan Killer says, Ross, I still believe in Zynga and Tata Motors. It says, thank God for Zoom. Bought 3 shares at $215. Oh, yeah, Zoom is over what? Zoom is over 500, right? Zoom is still doing good. Did I buy Zoom? I thought I bought some Zoom. I think this is Zoom. I think, yeah, I'm down. I believe I'm down $15. I bought 0.6 shares of Zoom, 0.7. Okay, but I'm down. But I'm holding my position in Zoom. I'm not going anywhere. But they were up right here, about 500. Oh, where was it at? Was it a year? Okay, 450. Okay, 450. What else is so significant? Tata Motors. Let's look at that very quickly. And the ticker for Tata Motor, guys, is TTM. Let's look at them. Woo! Let's read. It says Tata Motors is a manufacturer of motor vehicles that operates through the automotive and other operation segments. Automotive segment operations include all activity related to the development, design, manufacture, assembly, and sale of vehicle, including vehicle finances, blah, blah, blah. I believe that I actually did a review on this one, okay? And this company is out of India, and we need to understand India and China, you know, their population is anywhere between 1.2 billion and 1.3 billion. So they have a large space to sell a lot of vehicles, okay? The sale rate is above about 3% of what I like to see. Buy is 44%, hold is 28%, and sell is 28%. My threshold and my ceiling when it comes to these particular analysts, and this is not the only analytics I go by, but I don't like to see when they're saying sell over 25%, okay? So they might have great vehicles. Let's go check them out really quickly. Then we're going to get off of here. Look at their images. They should show some vehicles. Okay, they're not bad looking vehicles. They're not bad looking vehicles. Very basic looking vehicles. I mean, would I buy one? Not my style. Not based upon that. Let me go back here. They didn't took me too far. Yeah, basic vehicles. I mean, again, this is for India, so this is, you know, they got a hot model here, I guess. Really trying to show off this reinvented Hyundai or Kia, even though I like those brands as well. They make really good vehicles. But yeah, not a bad brand, guys. Not a bad brand, okay? Let's see here. My people say, yes, buy low, sell high, just sit back. Exactly, ladies and gentlemen, exactly. So now, granted, again, I want to show you guys, again, because I really want to promote this channel. If you notice, I'm promoting this channel, okay? And I believe that it will be good for you guys to be a part of this new channel. So if you're supporting me, please go over, and the only thing you need to do is subscribe. Doesn't cost you any money at all. Subscribe, watch some of the videos. You might like some of the content. Now, my brother called me yesterday. The Black Boule, he actually liked the Black Boule video, okay? He called me and we were talking about it. He like, oh, they should have mentioned this. They should have mentioned this. I said, Keith, if they would have mentioned all that information, the video would have been 3 hours. I'm noticing that they're trying to keep their videos under an hour because a lot of times when you get involved with a new channel, you don't want to watch an hour of their video, but they're giving really detailed information. So go out, go to the Black Post. Now, there's a lot of Black Posts out there. This one's called The Black Post. There's another one that's called The Black Post, but it does not have the fist with the 2 envelopes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So anyway, I thank you for joining me today. Clanky said hot model is not included. I know that's right. You guys have a great and wonderful day. This is Financial Literacy 101. Learn money and be inspired. And Can Killer, Nolan Baptiste, Mach peoples, all you good peoples out there, go over to the Black Post. I got the link in the chat room right here, and you guys subscribe. I'm out.